This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Teams on desktop because presence and working hours sync best there. Once signed in with your work account, click your profile picture, then go straight to Settings. Make sure your presence shows available. If it does not, adjust status first so changes apply reliably. Next, navigate to the Calendar or Calls section to locate working hours controls. This primes Teams to accept schedule changes and prevents conflicts with existing status rules. So do these preparatory steps now, before editing hours. Now you'll make the actual edits. Open Calendar and find Calendar Settings or Manage Calendar. Different builds label it slightly differently. Once there, pick your time zone to prevent future mismatches, then set start and end times for each workday and tick which days you work. Choose whether off hours should show as busy, free, or do not disturb so colleagues know your availability. Make sure to save or apply changes. This ensures Teams will reflect your real-world schedule across chats and meetings. Finish by confirming the update. Look at your profile presence indicator and open the calendar to see the new hours visually represented. If the changes don't appear right away, sign out and restart Teams. Caching often causes delays. If restart fails, clear the Teams cache or try the web app to isolate the issue. Finally, if controls are disabled, contact your IT admin. Organization policies can block edits. These steps wrap up the process and give one practical troubleshooting route if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.